welcome back to my channel. So today I got a super simple little nail art tutorial. I am going to do a waterfall mani. It's for one of my Facebook groups, so I haven't done one in ages. Like, I remember when I first started nail art, it was one of the ones that I liked to do because it was very simple, and I could do it. When I first started out, I sucked at nail art. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on this hand, and I chose this Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, and it's called Wisteria. So that's what I'm gonna do on this hand. And if you want to know, I just have this one, and this one's Canary, but I'm gonna do something else on there. Okay, so Wisteria. Okay, so I've got these bunch of clean colors. They are striping brushes, and I bought them ages ago, and they're in a container, and I haven't used them in a long time, so I figured I'd get them out. And these are the colors I'm going to use. So I don't know if they actually have color. Oh, okay. This one's called Popping Fuchsia. This one's Beaming Pink. Retro Silver. And Popping Yellow. And Kawaii Stuff. Okay, so let's get started. So I haven't used these in ages. I figured, you know what, I should start using some of my older stuff. I found these at like a little dollar store close, like, to my house in the mall. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just opening them all up, just get them all out of my way so I don't knock them over now that they're all open. Okay, so I'm just taking a majority of the polish off, and I'm just doing stripes. So that's what a waterfall mani is. So let me get some polish on this one. So a little close to my edges, but not super close. And then actually put some nail polish thinner in a couple of them because they're like super old. So I kind of chose these colors because they kind of reminded me, they're more Easter, summer, springish colors. So you can do it any way, like you don't have to put all of them, you can pick whatever colors. You know, it's okay, covered a couple of them, but oh well. Kind of reminds me of like the dry brush technique. And let's do some yellow. Super simple. Yellow. And for the blue. So just kind of going through and filling in the blanks just to kind of make it pop a little bit. So there. I should kind of like that. I think it looks kind of nice. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna top coat it, and I'll be right back. One moment. Okay, so I'm back, and I top coated these with my Seche Vite, and I think it turned out quite gorgeous. I love all these colors together. So there you have it, a very simple waterfall mani, and it's very versatile. You can do so many different color combinations, and you don't have to use these type of brushes or like polishes. You can use regular polishes and then just use like a striping brush or whatever. And also I found some interesting tidbits about these brushes from Nail Stuff today, and I don't know, like I kind of wondered about this when I saw it, like what purpose of the, I thought it was just kind of cool, but look, it comes apart and it acts like a cover. Like, how cool is that? I thought that was fabulous. Anyway, and since I'm showing you these, I just wanted to remind you about my ongoing giveaway. Once I receive 1K subscribers here on my YouTube channel, then I'm going to do the draw. So first place will be the Nail Stuff brushes, and you get them custom done, so you can have your name on them, like these. And second place is a top and base coat and one color of your choice from Aimeili Gel Polish. And then I have 5 prize packs from the Nail Candy Shop. So it's a package of assorted glitters. So that's a total of 7 winners. So yeah, it would be awesome if I can do this draw very quickly. So you know, just pass on the word and help me get to 1K, and then we can do the draw. Anyway, I just wanted to remind you about that, and I kind of wanted to show you about this. Like, I can't believe I totally missed that. I feel like a dork, but these brushes are awesome. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial, and I hope you're having a great day, and bye for now.